are in the middle of our ocean animal series, and today we are going to draw a sea turtle. Did you know that sea turtles have a secret built-in compass inside their heads? Yeah, when a tiny baby sea turtle hatches on the beach, its body remembers the exact spot where it was born. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, would you like to join me? Alright, let's go! Alright, are you ready? Yeah? So we are going to start by making a curved line for the head over here. Good job, and now let's add the mouth. But it will be a bit wavy, okay? Watch this. Got it? Alright, and now let's make another curvy line below it. Now let's add a circle as the eye. Let's add two smaller circles inside the eye as the highlight and color it in. Good job! Now let's add a dot as the nose over here. Alright, I think we can now start on the shell. So we are going to make a long wavy line, okay? Watch this. And now short line. Your turn. And now we are going to make the exact wavy line like this, okay? Alright, now we can draw the top shell. So we are going to make a long curve, okay? Now let's make a line over here. Okay, now it's time to draw the flipper. So we're going to make a curve like this. Right? And now this one will be wavy, okay? Watch this. Alright, now let's make another line over here. Alright, and now it's time to draw the back flipper. Alright, let's draw the flippers that is on the other side of the body. This is a small one. And now the front one. Good job! Let's also add some lines on the stomach here. Alright, now it's time to draw the pattern of the shell. So it's going to be a hexagon. Yeah, a shape with 6 sides, okay? So we are going to draw a hexagon over here. Alright? And another one next to it. Another one. And for the rest, you can just try to make hexagon if you can, but of course it's limited by the shell outline. Okay. Good job! We are also going to make some lines along this, okay? So let's do that. Alright, our sea turtle is now perfect, and all that's left to do is just to color it. Yeah, let's do that. Hey, that sea turtle looks amazing! Great job, everyone! I hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can draw again together. Keep on smiling, keep on drawing. I'll see you on the next one, okay? Bye!